Alright, I'm Randy Allway. I own Chrome Danby Customs. One of the major goals, I think, is just to kind of be able to do what we want to do. Like, I got a bunch of big projects that I want to get done that I've been like putting on the back burner for forever. It's a lot of lowrider stuff because I'm like a mini trucker at heart. You know, I miss like dragging shit on the ground and like doing stupid shit all the time. I got that B2200 that's got a 13B in it. That'll be lots of fun. I got another B2200 that has a 302 in it. Well, currently has nothing in it, but it's got a 302. It's just sitting on a shelf. And that's a full A ride project. And I really want to body drop it. So a big part of the channel is going to be following our racing series. We have a mini stock that we run at Merrittville, Humberstone, and a lot of it's going to be building it, as we already have a couple parts of it now out. Fixing and unfucking the car, so you guys will be able to follow the progression of the car, me driving, or somebody else driving. You know, I want to make Fox Buys Fast on Third again, and following us along that journey, as well as the builds and everything else that goes on a day-to-day basis. Upcoming in the future, we'll also have some merch drops. We'll do special t-shirts. We'll probably open up a Patreon account because the OnlyFans account doesn't seem to be doing that good. But we'll do special merch drops for Patreon, special one-off stuff here and there for special certain projects. Hats, t-shirts, sweaters, G-strings maybe. You can hit us up online, Instagram, TikTok, at Chrome Danby. I have a Snapchat still, so people can Snapchat me, also at Chrome Danby. Everything's at Chrome Danby. It's just nice, easy, at Chrome Danby. CHROME, the number 2, DNBY. CDE worldwide! Welcome to our channel. Fucking hit, dude! Fucking hit this
yeah?
Big holes in the center wall. Like she's a two-finger. He's coming.
Yeah, that's why she don't run no more. You can see 1, 2, and 3, they do some work, but number 4 doesn't want to play.
Click on the Chrome Danby YouTube channel, and you should do it too, because we promote getting addicted to happiness.